Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to leave a server on Discord. So, as you guys can see, I'm on a random server. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it. And to do that, we need to select that server here, right click with your mouse, and go down to leave server. Now, as you guys can see, it will ask you again if you really want to leave this server, and you won't be able to rejoin it unless you get re-invited. So, of course, we're going to click leave server, and as you guys can see, the server just disappeared. And that's basically it. That's how you guys can leave the servers on Discord. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.